Have you ever wondered what it takes to make every interaction you have more meaningful and positive? Exploring the role of empathy in etiquette reveals its profound impact on our interactions and relationships. Hello, my name is Philip Sykes, and I have dedicated my career to understanding and teaching the importance of empathy in our daily interactions. Empower your social and professional interactions with my expert guidance on etiquette and empathy. Learn how to navigate complex dynamics with grace, anticipate the needs of others, and build stronger, more thoughtful relationships. If you're looking to improve your social and professional interactions through the power of empathy, I invite you to connect with me. Please email hello@thebritishschoolofexcellence.com for a consultation, and let's enhance your communication skills together. As I conclude today's share on the invaluable role of empathy in etiquette, remember that practicing empathy is not just about understanding others, but also about actions that stem from that understanding. It's a skill that enhances every interaction, whether you're in a boardroom, at a dinner party, or simply having a casual conversation. Empathy allows you to engage more meaningfully in all these settings. Let's challenge ourselves to walk in others' shoes more often, making empathy a habit rather than an afterthought. Remember, this journey of enhancing our social skills is ongoing. There's always more to learn and ways to improve. Don't miss out on valuable insights. Like, share, and subscribe for more tools on how to navigate your personal and professional life with finesse. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive deeper into practical strategies for developing and applying empathy in various scenarios. Together, let's build stronger, more positive connections in every aspect of our lives. See you in the next one.